Hi, this is Eric with Celestron coming to you from Celestron headquarters in Torrance, California. One of our goals here at Celestron is to make amateur astronomy easier and more fun so that more people can explore our fascinating universe. Capturing images of astronomical objects is one of the most exciting things you can do with your telescope, but the process can be confusing and intimidating. That's why we created the new StarSense Autoguider. Some of you may already be familiar with our popular StarSense Autoline accessory, which aligns your telescope mount to the night sky in just a few minutes with no user input. StarSense Autoguider builds on the success of StarSense Autoline. Not only does StarSense Autoguider align your telescope to the night sky, it also provides automatic autoguiding for your mount. What is autoguiding? Autoguiding empowers your mount to track celestial objects with the utmost precision. It compensates for the Earth's rotation and other variables to ensure pinpoint star images instead of streaks or ovals. Before StarSense Autoguider, adding autoguiding to your mount was complex and expensive. You'd need an autoguiding camera, a guide scope, plus an external computer running specialized software. You'd also need to configure your system manually and sometimes even identify the guide star to use in the software. StarSense Autoguider is an all-in-one solution. Using an onboard computer and automating the process, the StarSense Autoguider gets the entire job done with the press of a button. And there's no need to select guide stars manually. The StarSense Autoguider uses all the stars in its field of view for guiding. Another cool feature of the StarSense Autoguider is its ability to enhance your mount's pointing accuracy with precise go-to functionality. Without the StarSense Autoguider, Celestron mounts use an internal mount model and encoders to place objects within the field of view of a low-power eyepiece. The StarSense Autoguider goes even further, placing the object in the center of the field of view, even when you're imaging with a small camera sensor. How does it do this? The StarSense Autoguider surveys the night sky in real time, making minor corrections to the mount's position to keep your target accurately centered after go-to commands. StarSense Autoguider is compatible with both Altazimuth and German equatorial Celestron computerized mounts. If you're using an equatorial mount or an Altazimuth mount on a wedge, the StarSense Autoguider can also help you polar align your mount, even without a view of the celestial pole. To do this, the StarSense Autoguider looks to the sky as the mount slews to several points along the right ascension axis. Then it walks you through a quick zeroing out procedure where you make fine adjustments in azimuth and altitude for a very accurate polar alignment. Interestingly, StarSense Autoguider works great without an accurate polar alignment, but polar aligning gives you the best results possible. There are several ways to control your StarSense Autoguider. The simplest is using your telescope's Nexstar Plus hand controller, which eliminates the need for an external computer. If you prefer to control your telescope via your smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection, you can also control the StarSense Autoguider with the free Celestron Sky Portal app available for iOS and Android. If you want a more robust user interface, the StarSense Autoguider is also fully compatible with Celestron's free CPWI Telescope Control PC software. When you connect StarSense Autoguider to a PC, you can see what the Autoguider sees using CPWI software or an internal web browser interface. This comes in handy if you ever need to refocus your StarSense Autoguider. What makes StarSense Autoguider unique? Several key features set it apart. A high-quality 4-element optical design with sharper optics than other mini guide scopes and designed by famed optical designer Mark Ackerman. A highly sensitive Sony IMX290 monochrome CMOS image sensor, an onboard computer, and Celestron firmware and software with lifetime access to new firmware updates for your Autoguider whenever they're available. With StarSense Autoguider, you'll be capturing stunning astro images with less time and effort. And once you see the sharp stars and spectacular images it can help you produce, you'll be waiting for the next night of clear skies.